On March 31st, Anthropic accidentally published 513,000 lines of Claude Code source code. 2 CVEs were exposed. A supply chain attack hit the same day. Here is what was inside, and what you need to do now. A 59.8 megabyte JavaScript source map in npm package @Anthropic AI/Claude Code version 2.1.88. A bun packaging error, no.npmignore exclusion. The full 1906 file TypeScript codebase was public. Security researcher Chaufan Show posted on X. Within hours it was mirrored to GitHub and forked tens of thousands of times. Anthropic scrambled to remove it from Cloudflare R2. The internet already had it. CVE-2025-59536 and CVE-2026-21852 were exposed. RCE and API key exfiltration via malicious repo hooks and MCP servers. The leak revealed the exact attack paths, making them trivially weaponizable. The same day, the Axios npm package was trojaned with a Remote Access Trojan. If you ran npm install on March 31st between 0:21 and 3:29 Universal Time Coordinated, you may have pulled malware alongside Claude Code. What you need to do right now: audit your npm install logs for March 31st. Check for Axios RAT indicators. Scan any repos you used with Claude Code that day. Hooks and MCP servers are the attack surface. Your AI tools are now an attack surface. Audit your hooks, your MCP servers, and your npm install history. Scan your AI security posture at cyberos.dev. More at endofcoding.